Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be going over the new Decklid and the new Gt500 Spoiler that I got. If this is your first time watching, I'm Daily Crave, and I also never really introduced myself to you guys, but my name is Zakaya, but I go by Z, so you guys can just call me Z. I may include that, I may not, but you guys can call me Z also. Yeah, let's just jump right into the video and let's get things rolling. Okay guys, so let me show you the Decklid that I got from off the Amazon. Hope I'm speaking up loud enough and clear enough. Alright guys, so this is the Amazon Decklid that I got. This is the Decklid that I got from Amazon. You can see it's just a regular gloss black Decklid. Yeah. And also, I'll tell you the reason why I'm taking off the carbon fiber Decklid, but I just want to show you guys this one right now. So I'm just gonna sit this down and we're gonna just jump straight into it. Yeah, so we got the old one is off. Just got to take the camera out and switch it over to the other side. So yeah, here is the old one and the new one, the gloss black new one, rather than the carbon fiber one. And stick around to the end of the video. I'll explain why I'm taking this one off and putting just the gloss black one on. Okay guys, so trying to, camera just fell over, and yeah, we gon', if that part was recording, I'm gonna include it. That just scared me, but camera, everything is fine. So now I'm trying to get this piece on here, because right now I don't know what I'm doing. Let me show y'all if I can. Really ashy. Alright guys, okay, so I just got all of those, these little screw tablets out of the old one, these little tabs or whatever out of the old one. Now I just got to transfer all of this stuff over, so I'll be showing you guys that in just a second. Alright guys, so now I'm back. I forgot to record after putting in the camera, and also I can't record because the tripod I got is like straight trash, as you can see. Weak. It is not working right, and it's a windy day, and it's keep falling. So yeah. But anyways, yes, this is a new gloss black spoiler. Gloss black Decklid. I'm still waiting on my Gt500 Spoiler to get here. It's supposed to be arriving, you know, anytime today, but like how our UPS drivers operate, it won't get here. It'll probably be like sometime in the evening. Hold on, let me get this. The camera is a little crooked. Alright, anyways. Alright guys, the Gt500 spoiler just came in, like just came off of the UPS truck, so let me show y'all that. Alright, so it's in this pretty nice size box. The box is just as long as the back, well a little bit longer than the back of my car's like whole back end. So yeah, let me go open this up. Alright, so it seemed to be, it's wrapped up really good. It's wrapped up really good and all of that. And also guys, I have links below so that you guys can check out this stuff. And if you want to purchase it, I have it in the description below for you. It'll be down in the description if you want to buy it, basically. Alright, so it's packaged up real nicely. Everything is smooth on it. Yeah, everything is good with it. As you guys can see, like, nice Gt500 spoiler from Icon Motorsports. This is like the third product that I have got from Icon Motorsports. Okay, hold on y'all, because the stuff is starting to blow away. So, but yeah, this is the, like I was saying, this is the third product that I have gotten from Icon Motorsport. It is good quality like always, and oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make sure this stuff don't fly away. But yeah, anyways, it's good quality. Paid $200 for it. Not bad for, you know, what it was, and it's matching my rear deck lid perfectly. So I'm finna go ahead and install this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we just got the spoiler, the screws of the spoiler. I have put 3M tape under this one if y'all remember me installing this. If not, I have it in this right hand, in one of these corners or whatever, so you guys can check it out. Might as well tell y'all now. But the reason why I'm taking off this and also the old Decklid is because they're both fake. Yep. They are fake parts. And I knew this was fake, but I spent like almost $100 on this, and I was upset about it because I had looked. I can't remember how much I spent. I had linked it in one of the videos. I think it was like $70 or $80. I don't know. I spent more than I wanted to on this. And then I think he had reviews on it or something like that made me like, okay, it's got to be legit, but it was not. So yeah, so I even said in that video that I don't really know about this, but I still linked it just in case somebody would just tell me this mess. But you know, and this, I mean, honestly, we being like for real, this is fake. Like this Gt500 spoiler is like fake carbon fiber, but you really can't tell for real. I mean, you can tell like in some spots, but you really can't tell unless you used to point, like stand up on it and point it out. But this, you can tell from a mile away, like a mile away. This not so much. This is you can just see it. But yeah, also this wicker bill right here. I forgot to tell y'all that I had installed this like a month or two back. I didn't record it because it just wasn't working out, because this spoiler just wasn't even in. I might be selling that part, that Gt350 track pack spoiler. I mean, not spoiler, but the ZL1, what is it called, y'all? The wicker bill. I might be selling this wicker bill just so somebody can just grab it if they want to. But you have to get your own hardware because, you know, hardware's not in. Yeah, but it'll be local only, not shipping it out. Alright guys, so I just got through cleaning off the I just got through cleaning off the back of the trunk where the old spoiler was at, as you can see from, probably can't see on this camera, but if you can see that piling, yeah, then you can see where there's no piling right there. But yeah, I just got it placed on there. I don't got it like screwed down on them yet. But let me know what you guys think of it. It's still growing on me. It's different. I like the spoiler. It's like, I don't know how I feel about it on my convertible though. But I think as I continue to make changes to this car, it'll grow me some more. But as of right now, I mean, it don't look bad though. It goes perfectly with the Street Air diffuser that I got. It's really good. And also, I forgot to mention this, but it does come with hardware to the bolts in the plastic tees, not right there. But yeah, but comment below, let me know what you guys think of the new Decklid and the spoiler. But let me continue installing and then we'll talk about it. Alright guys, so it's a lot of bit, no, I ain't gonna say it's a little bit later. Well, it is a little bit later in the afternoon. And yeah, I was trying to find a place where I wanted to record this outro at. That shit ain't into my face. But if I didn't know where to go, so I'm back in my main spot, you know, the usual spot where I'm always at, you know. So yeah, so let me show you guys the finished product of everything, and yeah. Okay guys, so everything I ordered, I just want to say just right off the bat, I got it from Amazon. I had the links below if you guys are interested in getting it. I don't know how much the Decklid was. It shouldn't be that much. And yeah, but I was tired of the fake parts that was on this car. Honestly, but I was tired of the fake parts that was on this car. It was time for the change anyway, so I had went ahead and got the Gt500 spoiler. I was nervous on getting this spoiler first. I was like, I don't know how it look on my convertible, or like would it even fit my flow of the car, whatever. But in reality, I really liked it. I really like it a lot. And also, this is sort of sticking up a little bit right here. If you can see that 3M tape, it's not even a lot. It's just a little bit. The tape just won't stick down on it, but it'll be alright. It ain't going nowhere. Like, I just test drove it on the interstate and everything like that. So yeah.